Hey Rishav, you've asked for watches for fathers, and we're here to showcase 3 of our best choices. First, we have the Victorinox Dive Pro Watch. Made for divers, this bold sports watch is anti-magnetic, water-resistant up to 300 meters, and is protected by a sapphire crystal glass as well as a stainless steel case. A blue rubber strap and a blue round dial enhance its overall look, while its quartz movement make it reliable and convenient for your underwater adventures. Next, we have the Movado Series 800 analog watch. From the Series 800, this timepiece is a perfect fit for those seeking a luxurious watch with high-end performance. It features a green dial encased in a round aluminum case, which is further protected by a sapphire crystal glass. Being operated on a quartz movement, it promises precision and an impressive 200 meters of water resistance ensures durability. It also features a rose gold stainless steel strap, which has a deployment clasp with a push button. Lastly, we have the Fossil Caraway leather watch. Timeless classic with a curved dial and a leather strap, offers a comfortable grip on the wrist. It operates on a quartz movement and its rectangular stainless steel case is protected by mineral crystal glass. A silver dial, a gold case and a brown croco strap give the watch an elegant feel, while the single prong strap buckle ensures a secure grip. Comment below which category you would want us to cover next.